Good morning. Today we'll see the next rule of nomenclature. Rule number 2. The first one says you should locate the longest chain in your structure. Second rule contains says the longest chain should have a maximum number. Longest chain should have maximum number of branches. Maximum number of branches. Okay, it means to say, for example, you take an example 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I go like this, okay, so that means so either I should select like this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Either I should select like this, 4. This is 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Either I should select this. Okay. So now all are 4 comes. Okay. But rule says you select the longest chain such that that chain should contain maximum number of branches. If I select this, okay, I am getting only one branch. So that is the main branch. Okay. Don't consider this. Okay. I am getting only one branch. If I take this, okay, I am getting one branch here, one more branch here. If I take like this, okay, I am getting one branch here, one branch here. Okay. At carbon number 2, I am getting one branch. Carbon atom 3, one branch. This is equal to this. Equal. Okay. Both are same. Hope you understand getting what I am trying to say. This structure and this structure is same. So out of these two, okay. Now there is no 3. This is equal, okay? Because at second carbon you have this structure. Here also second one you have this structure. Is vice versa same. Third one for this structure. Okay. You select this or this same. Okay. Now between these two, so which one you supposed to select? You supposed to select this, because this contain I am getting 2 branches. If this is my main branch, 1 branch, 2 branch. If I select this, I am getting only 1 branch. This is how the meaning of longest chain should have maximum number of branches. One more example. Let's see. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If this is the case, direct, okay, my answer is this is my answer. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both are 7. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Longest. No confusion. But same thing we'll see. If I write like this, I'm getting 8. No, this is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now either like this or either like this. Which one? So either you select this, either you select this. Both are same, no issues, because it is symmetric. Okay. But if I consider like this, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either 8 like this, either 8 like this. Okay. Now you have a is it any branch? One more branch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now see, if I go like this, okay, how many branches I am getting? 1 branch, 2 branch, 3 branch. If I go like this, I am getting 1 branch, 2 branch, 3 branch. So both are true. Either I can go like this, it is getting 3 branch. So making sure that you select anything 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I cannot take this because if I take this, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I am getting 1 branch here, 2 branch, only 2 branch. So but I can take either this is 2 or either I can take this is 2. Both way I am getting 3 branches. Here you see 1, 2, 3 branches I am getting. Sorry, if I take this, I am getting 1 branch, 2 branch, 3 branch, 4 branch. So this is your right answer. If I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I am getting 1 branch, 2 branch, 3 branch, 4 branch. Both are either you can take this or either you can take this. So both is possible. So but ensure that your longest chain should have the maximum number of branches. Hope you understood. Some exercise I will. Two, three, four, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have a confusion, either this or this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So try yourself and make sure that whatever branch you selected, it should contain maximum sub branches. Okay, thank you.